So good day sa inyong lahat guys. So at dahil dyan na-unlock na po natin yung ating in-stream ads. So ngayon magse-set up na po tayo ng ating stream ads. So pinutin lang natin po yung get started at pinutin natin yung setup. Okay. So pinutin nyo lang po yung setup. Tapos ang lalabas po dyan ay ganito, get started. So, yan po nakalagay. Earn money more easily. Keep content front and center. Ayan po. So, lalabas po yan dyan guys. Yung ating account name. At kung nakalink na po yung ating mga bank account, automatic po yung lalabas. Tapos, pindutin lang po natin yung link payout method. So, ayan. Ganun lang po guys, kasimple. So nakalagay dyan, you're all set. So get started, automatic placement, learn about ads. Tapos pindutin natin yung done. At lalabas na po siya guys. Ayan. Yan na po yung ating studio.